Hello and welcome to A&S Motors Limited. Established in Gosport in 1985, A&S Motors Limited is a family-run business covering all aspects of your vehicle needs. Our expert team are 15 strong, from apprentices to fully experienced technicians and everything in between. We have a combined total of over 200 years experience in the motor trade and counting, so you can be sure we have a technician suited to every job. From the smallest of cars to work vans and motorhomes, we have the equipment and facilities to carry out any repair that you require. We also provide a recovery service and 2 pre-booked courtesy cars, ensuring you are not kept off the road. The services we provide include Class 4, 5 and 7 MOTs, vehicle servicing, tyres and wheel alignment, air conditioning, welding and all other general repairs. We also heavily invest in the latest diagnostic equipment, enabling us to keep even the most modern of vehicles in good health. Thank you for watching our video, and should you need us, you can find us behind the petrol station on Privet Road. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.